Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you are new here, my name is Ashley and thank you so much for clicking that play button. And in today's video, I'll be sharing my progress on my nail polish project pan, so let's get into it. As you can see, I'm left with 4 polishes. In my previous update, I did indicate that I got rid of 2 polishes because they completely went bad. I'll have to admit, this is my least favorite polish in the project pan. This is the MAC nail polish in a near Macbeth experience. Unfortunately, I haven't been as successful as I wanted to in making a dent in this polish. I forgot to make a marking on the bottle, but I am currently where the font starts, as you'll see in this clip right here. I absolutely hate this polish. The consistency, the formula is way too thin. You have to do a lot of coats in order for it to be opaque. I said this in my first intro and it still remains true. I'm just really trying to use it as much as I possibly can. So I actually have this color on my nails, my fingernails, as well as my toes because I am in desperate need of getting it. After a couple days, I was totally over that yellow color and I decided to repaint my nails this OPI polish. Unfortunately, as I mentioned in the intro, I do not remember the name, but it's this really pretty lilac purple. And that wraps up my update. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, show it some love by hitting that like button. Share this video with anybody that might be interested in the Project Pan community, and leave a comment down below letting me know if you're part of any Project Pans. I'd love to know what your progress is like, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.